Last but not least, tenemos la expresión tengo ganas de. Tengo ganas de minch. Minch. Guys, I'm good at español, not inglés, okay? Tengo ganas de means like I'm in the mood for, I feel like, right? Tengo ganas de, I'm in the mood for. Tengo ganas de bailar. I feel like dancing. Tengo ganas de comer pizza. Tengo ganas de aprender español. I said that was the last one, but there is a bonus one, which is tengo dolor. Tengo dolor. It means I have pain. That's how we say you are in pain, but you can also include the part of the body, like tengo dolor en mi cabeza, tengo dolor en mis hombros, tengo dolor en mis manos, whatever, en mi espalda, like this man. Es como este hombre tiene dolor en su espalda, ¿verdad? Oh, tengo dolor en mi hombro. Sí. We also say me duele, but mostly tengo dolor. Vamos, repítelo conmigo. Tengo dolor. And I said that was the last one, but there is a bonus one. Is tengo vergüenza. Not me though. I've done worse. Tengo vergüenza. Vergüenza means I'm embarrassed. We can also say tengo pena. But tengo vergüenza is when you are doing something ridiculous. You can see that 2 dots on the U. Who knows what that means? Comment in the comment section. Almost no one knows that, in my classes at least. Vergüenza. What's that? What are those 2 dots on the U? Tengo vergüenza. Don't be shy to tell me. No tengas vergüenza to tell me what those 2 dots are in the comment section. Tengo vergüenza. Oh, an extra one. Tengo confianza. Tengo confianza means I'm confident. Tengo confianza. And you know how in South America, also in, in general, in all the Spanish-speaking countries, Mexico too, Cuba, all of those countries, they would say confianza. In Spain, we use more like confianza. You know, the Z sounds different. In Spain, it's more like TH in English. But in Spanish, I mean, in Latin American Spanish, it would be more like an S. You can use either. The one is easier for you. You can say tengo confianza or tengo confianza. I try to do something in between because I'm used to that, you know. So I say like confianza. Algo intermedio. Tengo confianza. That's good. We like that, right? We like when someone tiene confianza. We like someone confident.